Hello.
Hi, my name is Tyler. Again, I'm with the Democratic Party, and I'm just going door to door asking your community members what issues are affecting them, and I was just wondering, what issues do you feel like are affecting you and your community? This is why I'm spending about 1,000 calories a day hitting the ground for, is get people's opinions, get what the word on the street is. Voter turnout amongst my generation is incredibly low, so by seeing young people like myself being involved in the political process, it can inspire other people to say, hey, if he can do it, so can I. If I don't go out there and do the work myself, who will?